calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown,